Very common question. Given a chance that a doctor will offer you a sex change, are you going to accept it? Why and why not?
Thank you for that question. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that Case is very talented, known to be talented, known to be creative, and known to be professional. So therefore, if some doc, if some doctors offers me to have a sexual change or something like that, then I would not rather to observe it. It's because that I'm already contented for who I am and for what I am. Because ladies and gentlemen, self-containment tantamount happiness. Thank you very much.